use your Fisher traction device for your neck or low back for the first 21 consecutive days. And if after those 21 consecutive days you have not improved at all, then please send me back your Fisher traction device before the 30 days has expired, and I'll give you your money back minus any shipping. It will force you to accomplish the 3 most important keys to decompressing your spine. 1, the frequency of use. The initial goal of decompressing the spine is to create enough momentum that you can actually cause tissues to change and how your spine functions. The first 21 days is critical to make this happen. Try doing it at the same time each day so you get into a routine of using it every day. The second key, number 2, is consistency of use. The consistency helps create a therapeutic and healing momentum in the body, which allows for long-term decompression. The third and final key is time. Minimally, your body's tissues need to undergo decompression for at least 15 minutes at a time each day. Most people need time before their bodies will change enough to feel better and function better. Combining all 3 of these in the 21-day challenge will help you ensure your best chances of success. Traction research studies have shown that decompression is accomplished after 18 to 21 treatments. And if done wisely, you can accelerate the process over a shorter period of time, which creates a better momentum at a faster rate of change.